foremost in the minds of many Muslims. And he prayed, he said, those grieving would find solace during the holy month. Well, joining me now is Mohamed Taha from BBC Arabic. And firstly, on this aid, this ship, obviously it's vital, crucial that it gets through, but it sounds logistically pretty difficult.
The whole operation of giving aid to Gaza, as analysts are saying, is in a chaotic situation. As you said, this ship is trying to depart from Cyprus for 48 hours. This is not successful. There is not a working platform for this ship to land on when it arrives to Gaza. This is a logistic problem. Yesterday there are aid tried to be dropped on northern Gaza. Most of this aid went to the sea. Lots of Palestinians tried to swim to bring the aid. Some of them drowned while trying to get the aid. It's a chaotic situation. Also, we saw last week some parachute failures of aid that caused deaths for the Palestinians in Gaza. And with the land aid and through the Israeli crossing is stopping because of fighting, this aid through air, sea and land is causing more agony for the Palestinians rather than giving them aid.
In terms of the politics then and a possible ceasefire, I mean, there were hopes, especially with Ramadan, that might focus minds. Do you feel like optimism is faded?
Today is the first day of Ramadan and the fighting is intensified on all fronts in this war. So in Gaza we saw 83 people died, 3 of them in shelling of Rafah. We know all that Israel put a deadline to invade Rafah by the start of the month of Ramadan. We saw some signs of that. We don't know how this will progress. On the West Bank, lots of clashes, lots of incursions from the Israeli forces into the West Bank and arrests. In South Lebanon, Hezbollah attacked a settlement, Maroon settlement on northern Israel, and there are talks about possibilities of land invasion into southern Lebanon. So the start of Ramadan today is bringing more fighting to Gaza rather than peace, actually. And with President Biden plans to put a temporary platform to get the aid to Gaza, which he said it will require 2 months to be established. That means there is an understanding that this war is might be continued for another 2 months at least.
Okay, Mohamed, thank you so much. Mohamed Taha from BBC Arabic. Thank you. Now, in the